What's up, guys? Yes, I am doing another video. It is the next day, and I've just been loving these cameras, and I am a little sick right now. I have like a cold or something because it's been cold in Florida, and all I've been wearing is like little short shorts. Later on today at around 4:30 to 5, we're gonna go and get the parts. Well, not the parts, rocks for the fish tank and probably a log or two. I'm gonna go fishing. Either gonna go to the pond and catch bluegills, or I'm gonna go with my friend Logan and stock the pond, because that's what we've been doing the past couple of days. So I guess I'm just going to call him real quick and see what's up with him. Hey.
What's up?
Go fish at Narcissus for an hour and stock the pond for a video.
Yeah, you'll have to give me a little bit though. I'm over at my grandma's right now.
I gotta be back at my house at around 4:30. I gotta go get rocks and stuff at around 4:30. So I wanna just be up at Narcissus for about an hour and just stock the pond.
Alright.
Yeah, so whenever you're done doing what you're doing, just shoot me, alright?
Yeah.
So he's at his dad's right now. Not his dad, I think he said his granddad or something. And I guess they're making a pond, so there might be a video of us stocking that pond, but today, most likely gonna go to this lake, catch bass, put it in a bucket with an aerator, bring it back to our own pond, FHQ, that's what we call it, because that's where we always meet up, fishing headquarters. It's kind of it's cool. We already stocked about, I wanna say like 20 bass in there. Go check out my fish brain, it's on the screen right now. That's my fish brain. Fish brain is basically an app, like Instagram, but it's for fishing. And all that is people post pictures of their catch, what they caught it on, where they caught it, and pretty much anything else. So yeah, which is pretty cool. But I guess I'll meet y'all whenever I meet Logan, which today should be fun. I'm gonna have the chest mount on with the GoPro. Got the chest mount on, and I am on my way to the pond to meet up with Logan right now. So Logan just pulled up to the pond, FHQ. Say what's up, Logan.
What's up?
Yeah, that's Logan. That's Devin. Y'all know.
You can call me Little.
Y'all know. Y'all know them. And yeah.
Bass.
No. That was the one that we put in here. You want to give him a couple of months,
what
bro.
What is up with this reel?
I don't know.
Graves done messed this crap up so much.
Try to understand why his mama gets some gear when she knows she can't use it.
Maybe try over at Outer Pond and try to catch the big bluegill.
We will in a second.
This is gonna be cut out of the video, you know.
What is? You failing?
No, us trash talking Grady. Oh, Devin just poking. That's a turtle.
Move your line, bro.
That's a big behind bluegill.
Yeah, they are. If your fat ass line wasn't in the way. Oh damn, I'm recording.
Jeremiah, I bet you I'll catch that turtle right here.
I won't.
Especially not in that hole.
See, there are bluegill jumping.
So hopefully we can hit up Narcissus here in a minute.
Maybe, just maybe. Come on, I want to get slammed. Oh, one just seen it.
Yeah, he got
Fish.
slammed. Is he big? He's a toad.
He's decent.
He's a toad.
Oh yeah, that's a big, whoa. That's a big bluegill right there.
No, put that in there.
Muck off of his face. That's a big bluegill. I left mine. Oh, I got it off.
Alright, let him go.
Bye-bye. Yeah? Who does?
The fish does.
Oh, I thought you were talking about me. I was about to say. My bail got bent. You see that?
How'd that happen?
I have no idea. Probably got crushed or something.
Oh yeah, big ones are right there. Not even a second in the water. Already got a toad.
Did he come off?
Yeah, he's
Where is he?
right there though.
Grab him.
The guy who runs it, because this is a private lake.
Pond.
Pond, lake, whatever you want to call it. Hammered.
Dang.
Came off. Just this whenever I want.
Dang.
Oh, you're getting hammered though. And you're toast.
That was a good one. Well, never mind.
Oh, you still got red on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, just lost it. Yeah.
I don't see him.
Oh, fish.
He ain't here, bro.
What the heck? Why do I keep losing these?
See him?
Yeah, I seen him. Let go. Let go.
That big boy. Oh.
Yeah, I seen him.
Big. Alright, I'm gonna try to grab this guy.
Why'd you? Okay.
Skip the fish. Fish skipper.
Oh, my bad. Better one. He's... Alright, let's go.
Here.
So there's a pond over that way.
It's connected by over there in the little drain.
Yeah, they're connected, but they're all like over there. The big ones at least.
Yeah, they're hitting it.
Got him.
Toad.
Yeah, see, look, first fish and it's a giant.
Yeah, there. Look at Brett.
I said they are. Maybe if you throw some over here. I still got my bread.
Hey, something's eating at that big piece of
We know. Oh, wow.
You're low.
Is he calling you Lowen? You can hand me some bread, Devin?
That's what I'm using for bass today, using a trick worm.
Little
Watermelon red, you know.
Little zoom trick worm.
No, use the watermelon.
Yeah, they really do.
The other worm.
Go check out his fish brain too. I don't upload mine, but go check his out. It's on the screen right now. I'll be down here catching some mondo. Or you can just walk him over here. Oh, I knew it. I got hit. Okay, he's decent. Bye-bye. Close too, super close. I'm gonna cast it out there. Fish. Good one. Well, good one. Oh my God! Holy crap! That is a beast.
Here,
Look at that.
make it skip.
That's a good fish. That's a really good fish. You can hand me some bread? He's our little bread boy.
Here, why don't you put that piece of bread in your pocket?
That's true. Okay. Yeah, so we're just chilling, catching some bluegill, having some fun time. Later on today at around 4:30, I'm gonna make another video on the fish tank part 2. Yeah, he's still on there. Another good one. Another good one. Another beast. Giant. Ew. He's got some nasty stuff all over him. Let's see. I don't know what he had on him. Oh my God. Another beast. Another beast. Oh my God. Big boy. Oh, you got a little largie? Sweet. I bet my bluegills are bigger than that. Fish. Another good one. Oh my Lord. Another good one.
Toad.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Hope you live.
That was one.
I'm
That
slow
was the
moing
first
that.
one. That was the first one out of this pond that we ever got.
Yeah, true. What if he was one of the ones we put in here?
Oh,
No, he
look.
wasn't. We wouldn't recognize him.
Jeremiah, look.
True.
Remember, we got that little piece in their face.
Yeah. All right, go over there with him. Oh my gosh, what did you do? Ah! There is freaking seagulls everywhere. Go over there with him, Devin. I'm not trying to have that in the video. We can't get another big gill. Ew! One of them just pooped. We'll peck at it and then leave some, and then the seagulls will come and clean it up. They still love it though. Oh, that was a big one. gets annoying sometimes. Oh, I don't know. Oh no, that was a fish. Oh, another big gill. Oh my God. Another big bluegill. Fish. Nope. He got off. All right. Okay. Got him. He don't feel that big. Well, I mean, he's a decent size. Oh. This is actually where I got my bluegill at, the one that eats the lizards. Yeah, I'll make a video of catching lizards and feeding them to my bluegill. Try to make one with my friend, and I ran out of storage. There's one. Oh, a good one. No, he's not. What? Where's all the big ones at? Come on. I want to catch a couple more. And then go to PetSmart. Make part 2. Oh. Of my fish tank series. That's it for me today for the fishing portion. But my next video after this one will be me going to get the rocks and the log and possibly a new fish for my new fish tank and setting it up and stuff, which is going to be awesome. But thank you all so much for watching, and subscribe, like, comment, whatever all these new YouTubers or whatever are saying, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.